Programming Omron Safety Non-Contact Switches with Sysmac Studio. Select the Safety CPU. Under Configurations and Setup, select Communications, Safety, Safety I/O, and then select the module. And in this case, it'll always be an SIH 400. Then double-click on Parameters. From here, you can adjust the screens, and then on the right-hand side, go to the toolbox. Under Input Devices, Specialty Devices, select Non-Contact Switch. Drag and drop it onto the first set of nodes. And here you're going to notice under Source, it has T0. Those are our test pulses and no discrepancy. Drag and drop another set, but this time you notice we have some errors. To correct this, change the source from T0 to T1. Now, add some type of comment name. And this is an option, but this will help you later on. Now, under Configurations and Setup, double-click on I/O Map. Scroll down to our module, and now add a variable name. You only have to add one variable name, even though it's a dual contact system. And if you had a global variable, you could have just pulled it down from the list. Now go to Programming, POUs, Programs, and then select your program. On the right-hand side in the toolbox, go to Safety Function Blocks and select Guard Monitoring. Drag and drop this until you see the start here and then let go. Give your function block a unique name. For Activate, if you are not using the safety connection status, just enter True. For the Guard Switch 1, you want to select the input for the first set only, and you also need to repeat this for the second channel. For discrepancy time, T-pound 500 milliseconds, and then add your reset button. Since we have two sets, we need to go to Boolean operator, and for the output, drag and drop the AND to input. Then go back to our safety function blocks and drag and drop the guard monitoring onto the second port input of the AND function block. Once again, give your new function block a unique name. For Activate, if you're not using the safety connection status, just enter True. Now, select the non-contact switch for set 2 for both of the inputs. Discrepancy time is the same, T-pound 500 milliseconds. And once again, enter your reset. Then add your EDM.